What's up? In today's video we're going to be unboxing something new, something I have been looking and I finally got it. Snooping through YouTube, I found some YouTubers talking about Elgato prompter and I was curious. After like 2 months of research, contemplating it, I decided to get myself one, and here we have it. It's the Elgato prompter, and if you're ready, let's get on with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the prompter itself with the display, a universal backplate, DSLR mirrorless backplate, 9 DSLR/mirrorless step-up rings, a universal bracket, mounting screws, cleaning cloth, a quick start guide, a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is about 200 centimeters or 98.7 inches, that you could connect from the teleprompter straight to your computer or PC. So some of the key features of the Elgato prompter includes it's a built-in 9-inch display, supports up to 20mm full-frame equivalent focal length, powered by your computer, so you have to download the software and you communicate from your laptop or your PC to the prompter through the included USB-C to USB-A cable, and it's compatible with both Mac, Windows 11. So there you have it. So I feel the Elgato prompter is one accessory or tool that would enhance the quality of my video and reduce the need for me to always have so much retakes and spend so much time editing and cutting out gaps and mistakes. So this is costing about, from the last time I checked, it's $279, which is technically $280. Do you think you'll be getting one, or will you still be sticking with those iPad enabled type of prompters? For me, I love this because apart from just using it as teleprompter, if I was doing live streaming, I could use this as a way to mirror comments and chats and all that, especially for people who work from home. You could use your mirrorless camera for your webcams and use this to mirror your Zoom calls. That way you could be looking directly to the teleprompter and see who you're talking with. And even for those who do live interviews and all that, you could mirror your guests through the Elgato prompter. It will look more natural and not look like, oh, you're looking down on the screen and your camera is up there and all that. So it's going to really enhance the way you virtually communicate with people and also enhance your workflow. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about the prompter. To the next video, it's peace.